it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only
My people, welcome back to another video. Well, for TikTokers, welcome to your very first Morgan's Legacy. For the persons who follow me here from YouTube, hey! Now, today we are at FORMAGE, and this is a glance of their restaurant. We're gonna be doing a little restaurant up over here on TikTok, and we're starting it off with FORMAGE. Now, FORMAGE is located in Marketplace in Kingston. It's a nice, cute, uptowny restaurant with really chill vibes. The price is up there, I'm not gonna lie to you. We are here to celebrate one of my friend's birthday, and we chose FORMAGE because she's turning 40 and wanted to do something special. Well, guys, first glance, this is the best lychee that I have ever had in my entire life. So it's a lychee martini. It is light, it is sweet, it has a vibe and a buzz. Ooh, it gives you a buzz, right? Again, I went in with the classic martini, after which that was not bad at all. 2 drink down, and now it's time for the food. So I ordered the rib and mashed potato, and I ain't gonna lie, the presentation is not great, people. I did not like this. It seems like a lot of smothering happening with the ribs, but you know your girl, we're gonna give you the honest review at the end of this video. So my friend also ordered the chicken fried rice, and it came in this little bowl. It was cute, it was okay, not gonna lie. It wasn't what I expected it to be, but yes. All right, another friend took the pasta. I think it was the linguine, the chicken linguine, and this actually tasted really good. Can't lie, they really tried with this. For the steakhouse burger, however, there was an issue with it being a little bit on the too well done side, but guys, overall and all, the experience was not bad, and I'm so glad that my friend got to enjoy her birthday. So for my overall review, I'm gonna say the ambience of the place, it is really nice. It is really light and white. The colors complement each other. So for the ambience, I'm definitely gonna give them a 10. It is really beautiful inside here. However, for my food, I'm gonna say it was really salty. It was on the saltier side. It wasn't great. So I'm gonna give them a 4.5, and I did not like the presentation. So that is my overall ratings. It is a 4.5. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, where we up into next, you're gonna have to stick and stay to find out.